For over 3 decades, Superlon Worldwide has been at the heart of global energy efficiency, manufacturing high-quality nitrile butadiene rubber (NBR) insulation that powers industries, protects environments, and enriches lives. From our roots in Malaysia to our strategically located production plants in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, we have built a network that connects our products seamlessly to over 80 countries worldwide. Founded in 1992, Superlon Worldwide has grown from a single facility in Klang, Selangor into a trusted name in the HVAC&R industry. Our vision is clear: to reduce global energy consumption through quality insulation solutions. Today, we operate with the capacity, reach, and expertise to meet the demands of clients across every continent. We serve industries in HVAC&R, sports and fitness, and acoustics. Our comprehensive product range includes thermal insulation, including foam tubes, rolls, and sheets in various finishes, including adhesive-backed, aluminum foil, and lap seal options. Sound insulation acoustic foams, like our Acoustic series products, engineered for automotive, construction, and soundproofing applications. Foam and gasket tape for vibration dampening, sealing, and cushioning applications. HVAC&R accessories, from compressors and copper pipes to refrigerants, glues, and line sets application. And also fitness and multipurpose mats that focuses on antimicrobial, water-resistant, and eco-compliant with RoHS, REACH, and ASTM standards. Introducing Superlon Viper, our innovation designed for durability and protection. At Superlon, sustainability is more than a commitment. It's a practice embedded in every product and process. Our insulation materials reduce energy consumption by minimizing heat loss and improving temperature control, protecting the environment while promoting comfortable living for everyone on the planet. Our factories are equipped with solar panel systems, significantly reducing our carbon footprint and lowering our reliance on non-renewable energy sources. This commitment is reinforced through our global sustainability certifications and memberships, including the Singapore Green Building Council, SGBC, Malaysia, MyHijau, Green Guard, Green Building Council Australia, Dubai Green Building System DCL. Beyond sustainability, we hold ourselves to the highest standards of quality and compliance. Superlon insulation products are certified by leading international bodies, including ISO 9001:2015 for quality management, ISO 14001:2015 for environmental management, ASTM and BSI standards for global compatibility, FM approved and UL solutions for safety and reliability, KS Mark and RoHS compliance for international acceptance, CIRIM QAS Malaysia for local trust and assurance. Our impact can best be seen through the landmark projects we have served worldwide: Four Seasons Hotel Malaysia, Pavilion Shopping Mall Kuala Lumpur, Canon Factory Vietnam, Raffles Hospital Singapore, Home Plus Shopping Mall Korea. From luxury hotels and shopping malls to factories and hospitals, Superlon insulation plays a crucial role in enhancing comfort, optimizing energy performance, and reducing environmental impact. Delivering solutions that conserve energy, enrich lives, and build a more sustainable future for generations to come. Superlon Worldwide, conserving energy, enriching lives.